Welcome to DWBI Adda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
So today we're going to talk about what is AWS S3 versioning and how you can configure one in your S3 bucket in your AWS account. Okay, so we apply versioning in S3 bucket just to prevent accidental deletion of your data in your S3 bucket. Okay, so versioning is a means of keeping multiple variants of an object or a file in your S3 bucket. You can use versioning to preserve and retrieve and even restore every version of your data file or object file which is stored in your Amazon S3 bucket. So go to your AWS Management Console in your AWS account and type S3. Okay, and now go to create bucket. Give it a name. A name should be unique globally. Okay, so I'll give it DW version demo. Okay, and let's create a bucket. So our bucket has been created. Now let me go inside and upload some file in it. So we are in our S3 bucket and we can see following option. We can either upload a file, we can either create a folder, we can download a file once it's there, and there are some action setting in the file. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a file. Test file. Next, and upload. So our file has been uploaded as you can see here. Okay, and let me delete it. And see, a file has been deleted. Okay, so let me re-upload it. Let me re-upload the test file. Open, upload. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply or enable the versioning in my demo DW version demo S3 bucket. Go to properties and go to version. Okay, and select enable. Save. Now if we go inside our S3 bucket, what we can see, we have upload setting, create folder, download action, and now we have this tab. We can either show versions or hide version. Okay, so let me quickly upload another file. So if we go to show, okay, we can see one file has been version for a version file which we have uploaded just now has been assigned a version ID. Okay, let's go ahead and upload another one more time. Let's re-upload the file. Open, upload. Now if we go to hide, we can only see two files, right? But if we go to show versions, okay, so now we can see that our the file which I have just re-uploaded is marked as latest version and it has been given a version ID, whereas the first file which we have uploaded like testfile.txt, for its version ID is null because it was uploaded before versioning was enabled in our S3 bucket, if you remember. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Now let's go to hide, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to version file, action, and delete. Okay, so now you can see our file has been deleted, but if we go to show, we can see our file has been marked as delete, but it has not yet deleted. Okay, okay, so what we suppose I have accidentally deleted this file. Now I want to restore it. What I'll do, I'll select this file, go to action, and delete. What I'm saying, to please delete the delete marker from this file. Okay, I'll say delete. Now the file has been removed from here and we can see the file has been re-uploaded here. Okay, this means that I have removed the delete marker which was done accidentally by one of our developer or maybe one of your colleague member. Okay, so this is how you can protect your data in your S3 bucket. Okay, so I know it's quite a short lecture, but I hope you get to understand what is versioning and how you can enable in your S3 bucket. So thank you so much.